as you just seen in the last video, we replaced the shock tops with some GPM shock tops, some nice aluminium ones, and again from the amazing GPM I've got some aluminium cross members. Now when I ordered these, I wasn't expecting them to be quite as thin as they were, but hey, with it being like a custom truck, it may look alright. So I'm going to install these anyway. We'll take a better look at them in a minute out of the packet. Got a nice little pattern to them. Again, aluminium, so they look nice, which is making me think when I come to actually spray my chassis, do I take all the aluminium parts off, spray it, and then put the aluminium parts back on, leaving it all with the aluminium looking. You get what I mean, don't you? Centre chassis mounts, 3 centre chassis mounts from GPM. Now their website's in the description down below, so do go and check those out if you want some cool aluminium upgrades, and they're affordable and high quality. Now as you've seen from the last few weeks, I've reviewed quite a few GPM parts, and every time they're just amazing. I mean, out there on the market you get good and bad, and in my honest opinion, GPM does more than good. They're excellent. So there's 1, 2, 3. These are the aluminium centre chassis mounts. As you can see, they're quite thin in comparison to the original ones, but still I like the look of them. They look cool, so I'm still going to install them anyway and see. And if I don't like them, I'm building another truck rather shortly after I've finished this, which will be a stretch custom truck anyway, so that should look cool anyway, with those being a complete custom truck. But for now I'm going to install them onto here so you guys can see what they look like. And it's basically just a direct replacement for the other links, but in nice aluminium. So no doubt they're going to screw in, no problems. So to fit and install these, and I'm going to leave this one. Yeah, I'm going to leave this one because it's under the cab so it won't be seen. This one's at the back of the cab, so I replace 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to need to take the arches off and the tanks off, and then just separate the chassis slightly, then I can get the cross members in. But they're just direct replacements, so I'll check back with you guys in a minute. You can see them better from underneath. They don't really stand out how I'd like them to stand out. But as I say, on a next project which I have coming after this on my Scania, they'll probably look good within the space down the chassis. So it's basically a review of them anyway. So they look the part, but I just don't think I'll personally benefit them on this truck once it's all enclosed in. But we'll see. But basically those are the cross members, and they're from GPM Racing again. So links in the description. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Feel free to drop me a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.